In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a family tree in Figma using Figjam. If you're looking for an intuitive way to visualize your family history, Figjam offers a fantastic built-in template. This tutorial will guide you through each step to build your very own family tree with ease. To begin, you'll need to open Figma. Once you're in the Figma interface, look for and click on the Figjam option. Figjam is a collaborative online whiteboard space within Figma, perfect for diagramming, brainstorming, and structuring visuals like family trees. Clicking on Figjam will open up a new whiteboard, your blank canvas, ready for us to bring your family history to life. Once inside Figjam, you'll notice various tools and options available on your screen. To find our family tree template, we need to explore the available prompts. Look for and click on More Prompts. These prompts are essentially pre-designed templates or starting points that Figjam provides to help you kickstart various projects, from flowcharts to, of course, family trees. Selecting More Prompts will open up a library of these useful starting points. With the More Prompts library now open, you'll see a selection of different templates. Scroll through the available options, or use the search bar if you prefer, to locate the family tree template. This specific template is designed to provide you with a foundational structure, including pre-made nodes and connectors, which are ideal for mapping out generational relationships effectively. Clicking on Family Tree will select this template as our base for the project. After selecting the Family Tree template, you'll typically see a preview or a prompt to create it on your board. To generate the template onto your Figjam board, simply click on the Make button. This action will instantly populate your Figjam whiteboard with the basic structure of a family tree, giving you a tangible starting point rather than building everything from scratch. It saves a lot of time and ensures a consistent design for your project. With your family tree template now on the board, it's time to personalize it. You can click on any of the placeholder text boxes to input names, birth dates, or any other relevant details for your family members. To add new family members or connections, you can easily duplicate existing nodes and lines, or use the shape and connector tools from the Figjam toolbar to create new elements. Drag and drop these elements to arrange them logically, representing different generations and relationships. You can also customize the colors, fonts, and shapes to make your family tree visually appealing and unique. Remember to zoom in and out to get a good overview as your tree grows. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've learned how to harness the power of Figjam to create a comprehensive and visually engaging family tree. This flexible and collaborative method provides an excellent space to document your ancestry. Feel free to explore all the customization options Figjam offers to truly make your family tree a unique representation of your heritage.